This property is a 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, and 1/2 bath home. This property is listed for $589,900. Interior features of this property include a recreation or bonus room, a formal living room, an eat-in kitchen, multi-unit zoned central air conditioning, a full basement, a heat pump, crown molding, French doors, natural gas heat, and recessed lighting. On the outside, this property features street parking, a patio, a balcony, a metal roof, and a brick exterior finish. Community amenities include close proximity to shopping and dining. The approximate square footage is 2,412 square feet.